Hi guys, Josiane here. Today I'm in Barcelona doing a tour, visiting Park Güell, then Sagrada Familia, the most beautiful and famous church in the world. Now let's go check with the tour company and get this tour started.
Which was supposed to be a private space. So the park is surrounded by a wall made mostly of stone, the unworked stone of the same mountain. Actually, keep in mind that Gaudi tried to use as much as possible the materials of this mountain where we are. Alors ici on a un mur qui entoure les parcs en général, parce qu'il faut penser que le projet originel, ça devait être un espace privé, pas un espace public. Donc ils voulaient mettre un mur pour entourer les parcs et pour fermer les parcs.
Thank you.
And the one that we went where we were. As I was saying now, keep in mind that when we do design,
This is the house of Gaudi, the famous architect who designed this park. guys, was part of my tour. I take an elevator from the church. When you saw us looking at the church, is one step up. I'm not sure how many floor, how high that I am. As you can see how small the building are on the street, and I was glad. Look at this view, this beautiful part of the church. You will never see from the street or downstairs, and I'm glad I did it. It was pretty scary. Going down is very scary, but I'm glad I did it. And I will highly recommend this. Look at this, all the work they're doing, and they don't know when they're going to be finished with the restoration. If you never get the chance to come to Barcelona, this should be on the top of your list. The view up here is amazing. As scary that I am, and I'm glad I did it. So let's just enjoy this beautiful view. Oh my God, this really take my breath away. So now I'm going downstairs. Please
It's a different style. See the columns are different?
I will know.
Look at the columns up here, look at the columns down there.
Oh, but when it is the basement, it will be the
but
same.
it's a different style.